for Banana Island to be in Asaba. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the president himself. Alongside with Cubana Group, the Cubana Millennium City, congratulations. That was the official groundbreaking. Yes.
You are doing it better than the players.
Investment follows price. I send my sincere appreciation.
Your progressive policies have created the fertile ground upon which we're building the community, the Cubana Millennium Estate. We're not just building structure, just like my husband said, we're building a legacy. To our discerning investors who have placed their trust in this vision, we are humbled for your confidence. And you have recognized that Cubana Millennium is not just merely a residential development, but Nigeria's next premier luxury destination. Like we call it, what is it called? I don't think it's Banana Island. I think it's the Dubai state-of-art community that we're building, where sophisticated architecture meets unparalleled amenities, setting a new standard for elite living in the South and Southeast regions. To our exceptional team of architects, our engineers,